Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 8. Find three different irrational numbers between rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Let us solve this. Let us find. If we divide 5 by 7, we are getting a number like 0.71 4285 4285. These are repeating 714285. And if we divide 9 by 11, then we are getting a number like 0.81 bar. That is repeating. Therefore, you have to find three irrational numbers. Therefore, three irrational numbers. There are three irrational numbers. Three irrational numbers between the rational number between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 and 9 by 11 by 11 are, we are getting here, you see, this is 0.71. If we take 0.73 between 0.7 and 0.8, we are getting a number 0.7 0.7310, again 7320, again 7330, 1 2 3, and again 73. If in this way, if we extend this number, then this number will be irrational numbers. If we take another number like 0.7510, 7520, 7530, 75 ... extending, and these are also irrational numbers. If we take another like 0.7910, 7920, 7930, 1 2 3, here that will be 3 zeros, 1 2 3, then 79 ... These three numbers are irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.